Check this out. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the PUTORSEN sit-stand desktop workstation. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here in a very nice retail box. It supports up to 33 pounds with an additional 4.4 pounds for the keyboard tray. It's 32 inches in length, and it can increase the height of your desktop from 4.3 inches all the way to 20.4 inches. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have your installation guide and manual right here, complete with step-by-step setup instructions. Then you can see we have a customer service contact card with their website and email address if you ever have any questions, and they also walk you through how to register your product. Then we have our installation kit right here, complete with an Allen wrench, some 3M sticky adhesive, some zip ties, and some screws. Then you can see we have our keyboard tray right here, and we have the desktop stand as well. Now let's go ahead, let's get everything set up. Step one is to apply the 3 included sticky pads on the back side of the keyboard tray. So we're going to put one here, and one right there. So go ahead, remove the 3M sticker and gently press those into place. Now you can see we have the 3 pads securely fastened and in place on the keyboard tray. Step 2 is to cut the zip tie beneath the desk, so now it's free to raise and lower. Step 3 is to take the keyboard tray and line it up on the desk stand. Gently push it and slide it into place. And you'll align the 4 screw holes as you see right here. Take the included screws, gently drop them down into place. You can finger tighten at first just to hold them into proper position. So you can see we're getting all 4 of the screws in place. Now we have the last one. So there we go. We have them all just finger tight. So now take the included Allen wrench and just very gently tighten them all down and in place to fasten the keyboard tray to the desk mount. Now we got all 4 screws tightened down, and you can see it's held firmly in place. The fourth and final step is to take the 2 included cable clips right here, peel and stick in place on the bottom of the desk stand wherever you desire for proper cable management with your setup. And then you can use the included zip ties to securely tighten the cables in place. So here it is, all set up and ready to go. On the right hand side of the unit, you may notice we have a lever right here where we can adjust the height position, and then we can release it when we have it at the position that we desire. Here it is, 20.4 inches extended into the air. Now we can bring it back down. So there we go. Now we have it all the way back down. We can release the lever again. And if we ever so slightly want to just increase the height a little bit, just gently push the lever and it can go up incrementally, very slowly, to your desired height. Now let's go ahead, let's add a computer to this. So check out our setup right here. We got a 15.6 inch laptop on here. We got a 15.6 inch external monitor on here. We have a wireless keyboard and mouse, plenty of room for everything, to do our typing, to do our web browsing, to do all of our work from home. Again, tons of real estate up here if you want to do a laptop and a monitor, 1 monitor, 2 monitors, whatever your setup, you'll be able to do it with the 32 inches in length. And this will have no issues at all supporting the weight of your laptop, your computers, your monitors, and any other accessory you may have. Again, up to 33 pounds and 4.4 pounds for the keyboard tray. Now we can test out how easy it is to adjust the workstation once you have all of your tech set up on it. So grab the lever right here. Again, you can see it right at my right hand, and just gently push it. And you can see everything starts to go up on its own, and we can go all the way up to there. And then we can gently push it back down if we want to readjust. but it's that simple. Locks in place, 2 fingers, all you need to adjust the stand. Very fluid, very easy to do. Really nice to have that lever there to make those quick adjustments. You can see to get an action from right here, just gently go up, gently push back down, all while holding the lever, and then very easily release it when you get to the desired position of your choosing. Now you can see what it's like fully extended at its maximum height. I'm 5 feet 9 inches tall, and we can bring it all the way up right here. Plenty of room for me to still type, reach everything, do everything that I want with it on this desk right here. So very nice, very easy. If I want it lower, great. Okay, I want it about here, great. Oh, I really want it, you know, max height, we can do that right here. So whether you're 5 feet tall or you're 7 feet tall, there's gonna be enough height variances for you to easily adjust it to whatever you desire, from 4.3 inches all the way up to 20.4 inches. So overall, guys, I'm impressed with the build quality of this standing desk converter. I think it's very practical to take your current desktop and make it a standing desk without having to go buy a new desk altogether. Installation was a breeze. Anybody can do it. It will take you less than 5 minutes, which is a huge bonus if you ask me. There's hardly any assembly required, and they give you all the tools that you need to get this set up properly. My favorite feature is how much real estate we have at the top, so I can put my big bulky gaming laptop and an external monitor right here, and we still have plenty of space. I don't feel like anything's been compromised. If I wanted to do 2 monitors, I could do that as well. Put like a Mac Mini up here, an iMac, a desktop computer, and you'd still have room for a monitor. In regards to the keyboard tray, they give you enough real estate down here too. Maybe in the future, I'd like to see the option to slide it in to have it become flush with the top part of the desk. I think that would be really neat to add that. And I gotta give it to them though, they did a good job with the lever over here to adjust the height very easily. You can do it with one hand. In fact, you know, 3 fingers, 2 fingers, and a thumb, whatever you want to be able to adjust that right there. So overall, a solid choice and a great way to improve your posture when you're working from home. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.